Mahabharat is a very big literature. It has 100,000, that means 1,00,000 shlokas in the Mahabharat. Bhagavad Gita has got only 700 verses or 700 shlokas. And Mahabharat has got 1,00,000. You can imagine, it's so big. And the author of Mahabharat is Srila Vyasadeva. Vyasadeva explains every character with the background of that character. You cannot understand anybody either in Mahabharat, Ramayan, Bhagavad, anywhere, only from that life. That will be a wrong understanding. If you see somebody, what they're doing now, you also have to understand who that person in the previous life. Sometimes Vyasadeva gives the history of that person up to 4 janmas, 5 janmas. Only then you understand why this person is going through this situation. Why this person is behaving like this. Just like when you go to doctor, you say, oh, I've got stomach pain. Then doctor wants to do CT scanning, MRI scanning. They want to know the background of the whole issue. Simply they will not give you some medicine for your stomach pain, headache and all that. If you are a good doctor, you want to do the good analysis. That is very important. So like that, Vyasadeva wants to explain the background, the previous life. Only then you understand why this is going on. And this is basically called law of karma. To understand karma, you have to understand punarjanma, or you have to understand reincarnation. Otherwise, you cannot understand. So you cannot understand who is Karna, what's happening with Karna, why so many things happen in his life if you don't understand his previous life. So in the previous life, Karna, this Mahabharat happened in Dwapar Yuga. So which is the Yuga that comes before Dwapar Yuga? Satya Yuga? Treta Yuga. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. We know the sequence. So like that, what is the sequence of the yugas? Satya Yuga, Treta Yuga, Dwapar Yuga, Kali Yuga. After Kali Yuga, again Satya. Like after Sunday, again Monday comes. So like that. So if I ask you, okay, today is Saturday, yesterday was Friday. So Dwapar Yuga, before Dwapar Yuga was Treta Yuga. So in the Treta Yuga, Karna was Wali. Who was Karna? No. Sorry, he is not Wali, he was Sugriv. He was Sugriv. In Ramayan, it is mentioned that Sugriv is Suryaputra. Wali is Indraputra or Indravatar. Okay, if you read Ramayana, you will understand this. So, Sugriv was a Suryaputra in Ramayana, and Wali was Indra or Indraputra or Indra Ansh, whatever you want to say. What happened? You all know famous Wali and Sugriv story. What did Sugriv do to Wali? What happened? क्या हुआ उनका? आपको सबको पता है कहानी. क्या हुआ? सुग्रीव ने वाली को क्या किया? और क्या हुआ? सो कौन पूछा प्रभु राम जी को? किसने पूछा वाली का वध करना चाहिए? सुग्रीव ने पूछा. वो अपने भाई को मार डाला रामायण में, त्रेता युग में, है ना। सो इसीलिए उसका कर्म का नतीजा द्वापर युग में स्वयं जो वाली था, he got killed because of Sugriv, is now born as Arjun. And now Sugriv is born as Karna. So in the previous Treta Yuga, Vali was elder brother. Vali was Agraj, Sugriv was Anuj. So now reverse in Mahabharat. Now Suryaputra Karna is Agraj and Indraputra Arjun is Anuj. So in the previous Janma, Anuj killed the Agraj, isn't it? Sugriv killed Surya. That is, Sugriv killed Vali. Now the reverse is the thing. So as a chote bhai, you are not supposed to kill your brother like that. You are not supposed to kill. When Prabhu Ramji came to Kishkinda, so सुग्रीव ने सीधा उनसे प्रार्थना किया, ये मांग लिया, आप मेरे भाई वाली को आप वध कर दीजिए. He could have asked, उन्होंने बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस थे. He could have asked, क्या हम दोनों के बीच अच्छे संबंध स्थापित कर सकते हैं आप? क्या मीडिएशन कर सकते हैं, संधान कर सकते हैं, ये प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व कर सकते हैं? उन्होंने कुछ नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं पूछा. प्रभु राम से ये पूछा, वो वाली को वध करना चाहिए आपको. सो इसीलिए स्वयं राम जी इस द्वापर युग में अर्जुन के साथ है. त्रेता युग में किसके साथ थे? सुग्रीव के साथ थे, उनका मदद किया. सो अब वो अर्जुन मतलब वाली के साथ. भगवान भगवत गीता में बोल रहे हैं, समोहम सर्वभूतानां, मैं सबके लिए इक्वल हूं. आपका जो इच्छा है, आपका जो डिजायर है, वो आपका जिम्मेदारी है. मैं सबके लिए मैं ब्लेसिंग्स करूंगा, लेकिन आप उसका जो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज होगा, कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस होगा, परिणाम जो होगा, आपको ये भुगतना पड़ेगा. मैं खुद किसी को जाके नहीं बोलता हूँ आप आपका भाई को मार डाल, आप तो आपका भाई को मार डालिए. नहीं, भगवान ऐसे नहीं बोलता है. स्वयं सुग्रीव ने पूछा, सुग्रीव ने मांगा प्रभु श्री राम से, आप मेरे बड़े भाई वाली को मार डालिए. सो दिस इज द बैकग्राउंड ऑफ कर्णा इन त्रेता युग. व्हाई ही वाज किल्ड बाय हिज ओन ब्रदर. He was killed by his own brother Arjun, because in the previous life he killed his own brother. So that's a karma. Karma, you should know how karma works. No matter who you are, no matter how big are you, आप स्वयं सूर्य है, आप स्वयं इंद्र है, आप सूर्य पुत्र है, इंद्र पुत्र है. Everybody has to come under karma. So that is one. Second thing is, why Karna had to be born as a Sutaputra? Right? Why was he? He was actually born to Kunti, but he grew up as Sutaputra. He was disconnected from his royal family connection, because of which he did not get many opportunities. ये एक अपराध के लिए वो परिणाम है. क्या अपराध किया वाली ने, सुग्रीव ने प्रीवियस जन्म में? वो वाली ने किया. सुग्रीव ने क्या किया? अब कर्ण सुग्रीव है ना, सुग्रीव का अवतार है कर्ण. सो सुग्रीव भी एक अपराध किया. सो जब वाली का मृत्यु हुई, उस समय वाली का पत्नी जो था तारा, सो सुग्रीव ने रखा उनको. So that is aparad. You are younger brother. So your elder brother wife should be like your mother. So Bhabhi. He's supposed to be treated as mother. And ऐसे दुर्व्यवहार, अधार्मिक व्यवहार की वजह से उनको नेक्स्ट जन्म में he is very powerful. But just see, Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita, karmano gahana gatihi. So karma don't leave anybody. You are thinking, oh, मैं कुछ भी कर सकता हूं. No. What you do, it will come back to you. Yes. किया ना द्वापर युग में. सो आपको थोड़ा टाइम लाइन में इतराज है. आपको तुरंत होना चाहिए, उस टाइम पे क्यों नहीं हुआ? एक्चुअली टाइम लाइन जो है वो अलग टॉपिक है. क्यों? फॉर सम पीपल इट विल हैपन इमीडिएटली, फॉर सम पीपल इट विल हैपन लेटर. देयर आर मेनी रीजंस. पद्म पुराण सेज अप्रारब्ध फलम पापम कूटम बीजम फलोन्मुखम. जैसे आप आम का बीज डालते हैं, थोड़ा टाइम लगता है, 6 years, 7 years for you to get the fruit. So it is not immediate, it is taking some time. लेकिन आप आग में हाथ डाल दीजिए, तुरंत आपको परिणाम मिलेगा. So some karmas will get immediate result, some karmas will get after some time result. So the point that we are discussing here is why Karna has to go through all this experience. Why? Because in his previous life, whatever mistake he did, for those mistakes, he has to face the consequences. So Mahabharat is teaching everybody should be responsible no matter how big you are. If you do mistake, you will face the consequences. And those consequences we are seeing. That is why Vyasadev, Vedvyas ji, who has given Mahabharata, he is also giving the background. उनका background है, इसीलिए ये हो रहा है. So now when you read that, so that you understand, okay, this is the background, that is why this person is going through this problem. So we should be careful. If I do mistake, I also have to go through the same problem. Like this, about everybody there is a background. Not just Karna, not just Arjun, everybody. Why Panchali or Draupadi ne Panch Pati ko paya? For everybody, Duryodhan, Dhritarashtra. Only then you can understand Mahabharata. Otherwise you cannot understand. Otherwise only TV में जो दिखाते हैं लोगों को, भड़काते हैं ऐसे ऐसे, देखो कर्ण के साथ इतना अन्याय हुआ. भगवान का गवर्नमेंट ने ना, means in God's administration, there is no injustice to anybody. There is no anyay or injustice to anybody in the God's government. Everybody is treated equally. Everybody is treated according to their own karma. You are responsible what is happening in your life for your own action. So we have to be careful. We have to take responsibility of our free will, our freedom, and behave responsibly. This is the short answer. Yes. You are trying to say something. आप माइक यूज कर सकते हैं.
उन्होंने पूछा भी था कि हे भगवान, कि आपने सुग्रीव को ही क्यों चुना? आप मेरे को चुनते, मैं रावण को आपके कदमों में डाल देता. तो भगवान राम ने कहा था कि जो दूसरी स्त्री पर पूरी नजर डालता है तो मैं उसका कभी अपने पास नहीं लाता, उसका त्याग कर देता हूँ मैं. तो यही कारण था कि मैंने तुम्हें चुना. अहंकार था तुम्हारे अंदर, तो वही काम सुग्रीव ने किया, तो फिर भगवान ने शरण में लिया. मेरे को ये समझ नहीं आया.
Okay, very nice question. That is one of the reasons. That is one of the reasons that Lord Ram, Prabhu Ram gave, that you have taken away somebody's wife. Like Ravan. Ravan also done the same mistake. You're also doing the same mistake. So I cannot take your side even though you are powerful. There are 4 or 5 reasons are there. One of the conditions that Kaikeyi had put was, during the Vanavas, Ram cannot make friendship with anybody who is in the Satta. If you are a king, if you are the administrator, Ramji cannot make a truce or friendship with that. That is also one more reason. Second thing was that Vali is powerful, but he is also friends with Ravan. Not only he has taken away the wife, he is also a friend with Ravan. So by taking the side of adharmic people, you can't help. So now your question is, Sugriv also did the same thing. Then why did Ram accept his wife? It's a very good question. We will discuss if we get more time. First we will answer all this question. Okay, very nice. So when we read Rama and Mahabharat, we have to go deep and we have to understand. Otherwise, simply cinema story you will understand. But philosophy you have to understand. You see, in the serial what we see? Only story. They never tell you why Karna has to go through this experience, because that's a karma philosophy. Behind what is happening in Karna's life, there is karma philosophy. What is karma? Karma means what you do, Parinam will come back to you. So you have to face that. Yes.